list is a special data type in Python. And in the last session, we studied how to declare them. We learned how to access them. Hello everyone. Welcome to the Python session. In this session, we will explore more features of the list. Let's revise what we studied in the last session. This is how we declare a list. A variable name, then equal to sign, then values in the square brackets separated by commas. We can print the complete list using a print statement like this. We can use such loops to print or access the individual values. Here L is the placeholder and this loop will continue till all the values are printed. When we pass the list to for loop, it understands to travel the list and assign a new value to L after every iteration. Then we access the list using index, a print statement, the name of the variable languages, and in square brackets mention the index. Remember, an index in list starts from 0. So the first element or value in the list will have an index of 0. The second element in the list will have an index 1. Using the index, we wrote this for loop in the last session. For loop starts from 0 and print the value in the list after every iteration. And we have specified the max range as 4. But observe over here. Here we have mentioned the range as 4 because we know that the number of values in the list is 4. But this will not be the case every time. The list may have 5 values or 10 values and we can't change the program every time. To take care of this, Python has a very important but easy function, len. Len function gives the length of the list. Suppose you write a print statement and inside print you write len and the list variable name in bracket. Run this code. Well, we got the output 4 because the list has 4 values. Suppose you add one more element to the list as JavaScript. Rerun the code and we got the value 5. Now open our for loop code again. Here instead of 4 we will write len and in bracket name of the list variable, that is languages. Run the code again. Well, we got the perfect output. I assume you are getting some insight into the list. Please practice hard. The list is very important in Python. If you don't understand the list, the other 3 data collection types, that is tuple, dictionary and set, will be a challenge for you. Well, we need to learn more about the list before moving to the next data type. But all that in the next session. Thanks for watching.